So this is your boy Smart Depot here, and we have talked about solar panels, inverters, how to go green energy and all that. Today I'm Seacom Energy, my boss, my partner, and someone I've worked so long with, and my years of experience in solar inverters. So it's about I want to teach people about solar and everything practically. I'm here. If you look, let me turn this camera around. As we go into these inverter practical sections where I will show you everything about inverter from A to Z, Seacom Energy here is going to be the place where we're going to show the practical. So if you want to see an inverter, a charge controller, types of solar panels, different types of inverter capacities, batteries, different types of batteries, we're going to see it all here. I'm going to show you because this knowledge is coming in and it's going to be very practical. So yeah, I'm soon going to show you around everything that you have to see at this beginning, and make sure you ask any question, anything you want to ask about solar batteries, inverter batteries, solar panels, charge controllers, whatever it is, make sure to drop it in the comment section and I will answer you. So if you look around, this is a solar panel, this is an inverter, this is an inverter battery, these are sets of inverter. As you can see them here, the sets of inverter here. If you go inside the office, there are a whole lot of inverter. This one is called V Solar. Have you seen that one before? This one is V Solar. So there are plenty one brand new Belgium. There are inverter batteries, inverter solar inverters. There are all kinds of things here, UPS, stabilizers, what have you. These are brand new solar panels. These are very clean, direct Belgian solar panels. These are brand new batteries, inverter batteries, charge controllers. Everything you need, we have it here. So I'm not just going to be talking to you about, theory. I'm going to break this thing up here. Here is also a service center, and I've also worked here as an engineer. These are the parts. So we deal with the parts. You don't just go and buy it. There are parts sent directly from company. You replace motherboards, and then there are also parts available. So when I start talking about solar, it's going to be so practical. So practical, interesting, and you don't want to miss any part of it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me so you can get to see all of this. And drop any question you have about inverter, from battery, types of inverter, sine wave, modifying sine wave, pure sine wave, to battery, lithium battery, AGM, LED, and all kinds of stuff. So make sure you ask that, bring it to the comment section. I'm going to answer you. I'm going to do it practical. And I'm also getting myself some solar because I'm really tired of the band A stuff and the charge of current. I have inverter. I've been using inverter in my house for over 14 years. So I've used all kinds of inverters. So I'm going to share that experiences with you. Anything you need, I can show you here practical. And when it comes to working, connection, repairs, fixing, is not joke. Yeah, this is a board that's being worked on to be replaced. So it's not joke. Whatever you want to know about inverter solar, the years of experience and training I have, it's going to come out and then it's going to shine. So make sure you don't miss this, because this can empower you, or at least save you so much money from the power, when we can get power from the sun for free. So isn't God wonderful? Okay, so make sure you drop any question. This is going to be power energy series, solar series, inverter series, alternative power series, whatever you would like to call it. Make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe, because it's going to be very interesting. Until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I see you.